Welcome back to our class again. Today also we will study the second lesson. Actually, first stanza we already completed. Today I will explain the second stanza also. Do you know the topic of or title of the poem? The Town Child. Once again listen to the class. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noise I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is a sky far away. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. And this is a poem. Then we can study one by one line. First 6 line already completed. I live in the town in a street. Here in this poem, the poetess described the story of a boy. The boy was living in a town. Actually, he does not interested to live in town. He wanted to go to any village. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. I already explained it. That there are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. Then we can start from this part. The houses all wait in a row. You know, in city, all the houses are just like a line, both the side of the road. In a city, number of streets means gully. And both the side of the roads we can see the houses. The houses all wait in a row. Row means a particular line, both side of the line. In this picture also you can see the houses, shops are in a line. There is a smoke everywhere that I go. In city life, a smoke from the vehicles, smoke from the factories, the full of congested areas. In the city, in every nook and corner of the city, very polluted and congested area. There is a smoke everywhere in all the places in the city. That I go means I means here that boy. The boy is wandering through the every street of the city. He saw very congested traffic and he feel the smoke everywhere. Then I don't like the noises I hear. The boy, he does not like the noises. Noise means amash. I hear. Look at the picture. A number of lot of vehicles, car, jeep, rickshaw, cycle, bike, very congested. And all these vehicles are producing the heavy noise in the atmosphere also. Actually, the boy, he does not like the noises he hear. I wish there were woods very near. The boy wondered there were woods. Woods means a very small type of forest, a very small forest. The boy wishes there were a small forest in the city very near. But that was that will not happen. But he only just wishes. The boy wishes there were woods very near. In city, he wanted a forest area, a number of trees in the city. But in cities only concrete road and concrete building. There is no more trees. There is no more forest areas in our cities. But the boy wanted there were small forest area in the city. Now there is only one thing that I love. Actually, the boy loves only one thing. What? That we will study in the next line. There is only one thing that I love. The boy loves only one thing, and that is a sky far away. The boy loves the sky that is far away. The sky is situating far away, बहुत दूर है. And that is the sky. The boy loves only the sky. What is the color of the sky? Blue color. The sky is far away. We can't reach there. And the boy imagined that there is plenty of room in the blue. The color of the sky is blue. In that blue color sky, the boy imagined that there is a plenty of room. Plenty means a number of, lot of. Plenty of, that is a one word. That is not a two word. Plenty of. Pronunciation also together. Plenty of. There is a plenty of. Plenty of means a number of, lot of rooms in the blue sky. The boy, the town boy, he imagines that in the sky, in the blue sky, there is a plenty of rooms for castles of clouds and me too. For castles of clouds. Castles of clouds means in the sky we can see the group of clouds, clouds groups. And the boy imagined that every group of clouds, the castle, is just like a palace in the sky. The boy imagines that a number of palaces in the sky. The palaces are situating in the clouds. So the boy wanted to go to the sky to live in the palaces. There is a number of palaces. Big buildings, attractive and colorful building are in the sky. So our boy, he is wanted to go there in the sky for castles of clouds and me too. Here T double O means also, A-L-S-O, that is the meaning of also, and me also, and I can also go there. I wanted to go there. I wanted to go in the sky, blue sky. There is a number of clouds. In the clouds, I can see number of palaces, number of building, number of rooms. I can stay there. So the boy wanted to go the sky. And this is an explanation of this poem. Then word meaning already given. You should write the word meaning in your fair copy, and you should study also. You must study the word to by heart it. Opposite words and synonyms also. Then summary of the poem. Very simple summary. The poem The Town Child was written by Aine Thompson. In this poem, the poetess says that the town child lives in a street in the town. He is unhappy about his life in the town. He does not like his crowded streets, its noise and smoke. He wishes to live in a village near woods and meadows and lambs. The sky is the only beautiful thing he can see in the town. The sky is large and free, so he would like to escape to the sky. Summary. The explanation summary. The last is a short note of short biography of life history of our poetess. And you should write all the things in your fair copy and study the answers very well. And you should study the poem also. Poem study is very important. In the examination also, the poem will ask. So try for your best. And don't waste your time. Thank you all. Jai Hind.